Marian College is indeed very happy to know that its sons and daughters are coming back to Marian campus once again on 28 and 29 April 2018. The nostalgia of your edifying presence as a student and the great contributions you have made while being here are still being shared on Marian campus. Marian has indeed grown significantly since 1995 because of your contributions on campus and off campus. Come, see and witness the growth of Marian. Let us once again come and enjoy the tug-of-war competitions, the football, the basketball, the shuttle tournament, all that. Marian Stage wants to see your stunning performance once again. You are most cordially invited to the mega gathering. Ensure your participation with the entire family, your partners, your kids, and even your parents. Come, see, witness, and be part of Marian, and be proud of Marian.